Hello Vintage Outboard Motor fans, this is T-Mike making another video today. Today's video is on the stop-start switch that I've added to my trusted T-Mike parts inventory. This stop switch can be used for the 9.5 horsepower Johnson and Evinrudes. Easily replaces the existing stop switch. It can also be used as a start switch. Here's an example of using it on a 18 horsepower Johnson for the start switch. So this part replaces the OEM part number 0379638. It has easy access wire terminals for replacing the wiring. It is a very simple installation. Just remove the rubber push button and the washer and it fits right in. A trusted T-Mike part. Click on the link below for easy access to my eBay store. Always remember and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.